Okay, Springfree Trampoline repair. So basically, these plastic things here, I've had a couple break. So up inside there's something along those lines. So I called the company and about 40-50 bucks I've got 3 broken, but I bought 4 just so I got a spare. And now we go to how to install them. So first thing you want to do is remove all the stuff out. I'm going to remove these so I can get in there. Okay, so this is where this piece sits, like this. Here is our ball joint. So what we'll be doing is we'll be getting this afterwards and then rotating it and clipping it in there just like that. Okay, so we'll be needing a bit of power to do that. As you see, the cloth is under here as well. So normally the pole will go through there and hold that in there, and we can probably just sew that one up, so that's no big deal. So after we get this in, we should be able to put our pole sort of through here. We probably can, but I'll feed it through this way. So once I get it in there, then I'm going to get underneath and clip it in there just like that. So step number 1, getting this part into a slot. See how wide that slot is? So what I've worked out is you need to actually clear out all the old pieces. That's been cleared out, and then we're going to feed it all the way in. Because this side has a bit of a ramp, we're going to feed it over there and then bring it back to center. So let's work on this one first because it's the furthest one away. Put my finger in there, hopefully there's no spiders or anything. Actually, I can probably feed 2 in through this spot here. Now, these are very tight, these things, so maybe a little bit of spray might help, but let's see how we go. Okay, take 2. Okay, lubrication. You've probably seen this stuff before. Yes. Y drive 40. Should be 60. Okay. So we know it's pretty tight in there. I really should have sprayed it first, but it's in there now. Sprayed a bit on this side. Something that's not going to rip. Plastic tool. See if we can get that to go underneath. Try pushing it. Actually, use pliers just to see if I can move it in. So yeah, replacing this part is a nightmare. Did we get it? Did we get it under there? Yes, we did. Okay, so we got it in the right bit. Want more lubrication there. Okay, more lubrication there. Okay, now get my fingers through, and that lubrication made all the difference. Absolutely. Okay, so now we have another one to do here. So I am going to try and do this the easy way. Feels like it's enough, but I reckon we'll need a bit more. And yeah. Okay, that's quite a bit, but if you saw how hard it was to get in, I think it's necessary. See if we can get that part in. Okay. Okay, so we've got it all over one side. Push further. Okay. Now we need to get that bottom foot in. So okay, without lubricant, you got no chance. Okay, so 2 done. Wasn't that bad. Have to wash off the WD-40 afterwards. No, we want it this way. So through the hole, back into here, like that, Now I have to push it up into here and get it in. Let's see how good that goes. Okay, that has to go all the way in first. Why is that wrong? Okay, all the way in. Okay, let's go. Up and over to here. It's close. Oh, geez, these things are hard. Okay, sitting there, it just needs to, got it. One down. Of course I'll have to sew this up afterwards, but that's not the biggest problem. Okay, push that in. That has to go in deep. That doesn't want to go in. I know what I can do. See how it doesn't want to move now. There we go. Moves good. Okay. See if we can get this one. I can show it to you. Oh, 40 kegs probably. There you are. It's like pushing maybe 40 or 50 kilos. Wouldn't want to get pinched by it. Okay. Got it. Okay, let's have a look underneath. Okay, so 2 of them replaced. They're good. Okay, I hope you never have to do this. Thanks for watching.